Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to my class. I am Shoma Rai, lecturer in English by Gasa Government College. Your Shoma madam is going to discuss WH question. My dear students, firstly, I will discuss homework of my previous class. Firstly, number 1, I shall go to Dhaka tomorrow. In my previous class, I discussed where I shall go to Dhaka tomorrow. Here, I subject, shall, modal auxiliary verb, then go main verb. You know, in WH question, there are two rules. Firstly, subject-directed rule, that is WH question plus rest of the sentence plus note of interrogation. And rule number 2, WH word, then auxiliary verb, then subject, then rest of the sentence except answer. So now I will solve homework of my previous class. Firstly, I shall go to Dhaka tomorrow. Number 1. Here, tomorrow, Dhaka is a place. You know, instead of place, where comes instead of place. Here, Dhaka is a place. So, instead of Dhaka, you will bring where. Then, here it is object-directed rule. Then, auxiliary verb. Here, shall is the modal auxiliary. Here, I becomes you because WH in WH question, first person becomes second person. So, here, shall becomes will. Where will? Then, you. Where will you go? Here, to Dhaka is my answer, is your answer. So, where will you go tomorrow? Then note of interrogation. Then number 2, my sister is coming from Singapore. Here Singapore is a place. So, instead of place, you will bring where. Where, then auxiliary verb. Here is the primary auxiliary. Where is, my becomes your. Where is your sister? Where is your sister? Then coming from. Here Singapore is the answer and you will omit the answer from the question. Then number 3, Kazi Nazrul Islam was born at Churulia. Here at Churulia is a place and instead of Churulia you will bring where. Then was is the primary auxiliary verb. Where was, then subject, WH word auxiliary verb, subject Kazi Nazrul Islam. Kazi Nazrul Islam. Where was Kazi Nazrul Islam? Then born, main verb. Then note of interrogation. Here at Churulia is the answer and you will omit the answer from the question. Here number 4, charity begins at home. Here home is a place, you know, and instead of place you will bring where. Then begins is the main verb and instead of place you will bring does as the auxiliary verb. So, where does charity? Where does charity begin? Then note of interrogation. Here at home is the answer, not the question. Number 5, the letter is from Japan. Here Japan is a place, and instead of place you will bring where. Then is the primary auxiliary verb. Where is, then the letter. Where is the letter from? Where is the letter from? Then note of interrogation. So, my dear students, there are 5 homeworks here. Then another homework, number 6. I am going to Rangamati. I am going to Rangamati. I am going to Rangamati. Here Rangamati is a place, and instead of place you will bring where. You will bring where. Then auxiliary verb, here am is the auxiliary verb, but I becomes you in WH question. First person becomes second person, so you will bring the auxiliary verb are. Where are, then you. WH or auxiliary verb subject. Object directed rule. Where are you going to? Where are you going to, or where are you going? Then note of interrogation. Here I have finished my homeworks of my previous class. Now I will discuss another WH word, why. Why means for what reason. For what reason. কেন, কি জন্য, কি কারণে, or for what reason. কেন, কি জন্য, কি কারণে, or for what reason. For what reason you will bring why. Or if the sentence bears to class B1 or owing to, due to, for, in, for etc, etc, you will bring why. Now why also follows 2 rules, subject directed rule and object directed rule. If the statement is subject directed, then you will follow subject directed rule. If the statement is object directed, then you will follow object directed rule. Now I will give some example of why. Number 1, the boy can't go because of severe cold. You will also bring why instead of because of. The boy can't go because of severe cold. the boy can't go because of severe cold. Here because of is a result, and because of, instead of because of severe cold, here you will bring why. Here because of, instead of because of severe cold, you will bring why. Why. Then auxiliary verb. Here can is the auxiliary verb. Why can. Then subject the boy. Why can the boy. Then not. Here can is the auxiliary verb but not. Not is not. So why can the boy not go. Then note of interrogation. Here because of severe cold is the answer, and you will omit the answer from the question. Here it is object directed rule. So why W is word, can auxiliary verb, then subject the boy. So why can the boy not go. Here then note of interrogation. I will clear my board. My dear students, please write down in your khata hurriedly. Number 2. I respect my teacher for his sincerity. I respect my teacher. I respect my teacher for his sincerity. Here for his sincerity, you know, instead of for you will bring one. So for his sincerity, instead of for his sincerity, you will bring why. Then respect is the main verb and there is no auxiliary verb here. So you will bring do as the auxiliary verb. So why do, then I becomes you. Here I is the first person and it becomes second person in WS question. So why do you, then main verb respect. Here my first person and it becomes second person your. Then teacher. Then note of interrogation. Here why do you respect your teacher? Number 3. Tamabil is famous for scenic beauty. Tamabil is famous for scenic beauty. Tamabil is famous for scenic beauty. Here instead of for you will bring, instead of for scenic beauty, here for scenic beauty is the reason, and in for what reason? For scenic beauty Tamabil is famous. So instead of for scenic beauty you will bring why. Then auxiliary verb, here is the primary auxiliary. So why is Tamabil subject, it is object directed rule. Tamabil. So W is what auxiliary verb subject. Why is Tamabil, then famous for. Then note of interrogation. So why is Tamabil famous for? It is our answer. Example number 4. They missed the bus for their delay. they missed the bus for their delay. Here, instead of for their delay, you will bring why. Here, for the delay is the answer, and instead of for the reason, you will bring why. So, why, then auxiliary verb. There's no auxiliary verb, and missed is the past form. And instead of past form, you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. So, why did, then subject they. Why did they? It is also object-directed rule. Why did they miss the bus? Then note of interrogation. Here for scenic, for their delay is the answer, and you will omit the answer from the question. My dear students, please write down this in your paper hurriedly. Why did they miss the bus? It is our question. Then example number 5. He went home to take care of his ailing father. Here it is a long sentence. He went home to take care of his ailing father. Here, to take is to plus beyond. I discussed firstly, instead of to plus beyond, you will bring why. You can bring why. So, here, to take care of his ailing father, here is our answer, and instead of to take care of his ailing father, you will bring why. Then when is the past form of the verb, and instead of past form or for past form, you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. So why did, subject he. Then go, main verb of went. So why did he go home? Then note of interrogation. My dear students, I will clear my board. Please write down this hurriedly. Then example number 6. I went to the library to collect some books. I went to the library to collect some books. Here 2 plus beyond. Here it is 2 plus beyond, and instead of 2 plus beyond, you will bring why. Then here when is the past form of the verb, and you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. Why did? Then I becomes you. Why did you? Then go is the went's main. Went is the past form of the verb, and go is the present form. Here, so why did you go to the library? Library. Then note of interrogation. Here, to collect some books is our answer, and we will omit the answer from the question. Then why? So why did you go to the library? So answer is to collect some books. Then example number 7. The boy was punished for telling lie. The boy was punished for telling lie. The boy was punished for telling lie. So here instead of for you will bring why. Then was is the primary auxiliary verb. So why was, then subject, the boy. It is also object-directed rule. W is word auxiliary verb, subject. So why was the boy punished? Punished. Then note of interrogation. For telling lie is our answer. And why was the boy punished? For telling lie. Then example numbers 8. We dislike him for his laziness. We dislike him for his laziness. Here we dislike him for his laziness. Here instead of for or you will bring why. Why. Then auxiliary verb. Here dislike is the main verb and there is no auxiliary verb, and instead of dislike or main verb you will bring do as the auxiliary verb. Where there is no auxiliary verb you will bring do, does, did as the auxiliary verb. You know, and I discussed in my previous class. Why, so why, do, then we becomes you, because first person becomes second person in WH question, you know. Why do you, then main verb dislike, then him. Why, then note of interrogation. So why do you dislike him? Here for his laziness. For his laziness is the answer and you will omit the answer from the question. Then number 9, example number 9. He went to the airport to receive his friend. He went to the airport to receive his friend. Here receive, R-E-C-E-I-V-E, receive. So here he went to the airport to receive his friend. Instead of to receive 2 plus beyond you will bring why. Here went is the past form of the verb and there's no auxiliary verb here. Instead of past form you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. So why did, then subject he. Why did he, then main verb go. Why did he go to the airport? Here to receive his friend is the answer. You will omit the answer from the question. Then note of interrogation. So why, WH word, did auxiliary verb, he subject, WH word auxiliary verb subject, then go to the airport. another part or rest of the sentence. Then note of interrogation. It is also object-directed rule. My dear students, I will clear my board now. Please write down hurriedly. Number 10. She went to Cox's Bazar for change. For change. She went to Cox's Bazar for change. Here, instead of for, you will bring why. I forget to write answer. Then answer why. Then W is word. Why W is word. Then auxiliary verb. There is no auxiliary verb here, and instead of past form, you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. So why did. Then subject she. Why did she. Then main verb go to Cox's Bazar. Then note of interrogation. Here for change is the answer, and you will omit the answer from the question. Why did she go to Cox's Bazar? Here our time is nearly over. So my dear students, today I have given 10 examples. I hope you will solve them fine. Very finely you will solve them. Now I will give you some homework. Homework number 1. Dhaka is famous for mosquitoes. Dhaka is famous for mosquitoes. Then homework number 2. She went to the new market to buy a shari. She went to the new market to buy a shari. Then number 3. They arrived the place to enjoy the function. They arrived the place to enjoy the function. Then number 4. You need to learn English because of you need to learn English. You need to learn English because it is a passport to knowledge. It's a very long sentence, and I will clear this sentence. I will also give you another short sentence and simple sentence. He was absent because of his being ill. He was absent because of his being ill. Because of his being ill. Then number 5. Cox's Bazar is rich because of its natural beauty. Cox's Bazar is rich because of its natural beauty. Natural, natural beauty, beauty. So, my dear students, here there are five W. So there are 5 homeworks here. So my dear students, our time is over and I will finish my class. I will see you again. Thank you very much.